In today's Canva tutorial, we're taking a look at how to scale and resize text in Canva. On the left-hand side, we can see here we have got 3 different heading text boxes. So if we click on these, we can see that this one, it has a font size of 58. The next one has a font size of 32, and the last one has a font size of 22. If you're wanting to add a heading or some text or a title onto something you are designing in Canva, they are a really good starting point, and the font sizes are already preset. If you want to use your own wording, then simply start typing in Canva. Here we can see now on our document I've typed in the word hello, and once we've clicked on it we can see we've got these options for adjusting the size of the text. So if we click on the outside ones, then we can scale them, and we can do that on the corners. And then here we can also click on the one on the side and we can scale our text across. That's also a good way of expanding and resizing the text. This is great if you want to position your text somewhere on your canvas. So if you want to position it at the top, you can then click on one of the corners with your arrow and drag it, and then it will rescale that down. Likewise, if you pop it in the bottom corner, you can scale it up and see how it's going to look visually for how you want it to be on your design. The other way to do it is to change the font size up here. You can simply use minus to go down, you can go plus to increase it, or if you have a font size that you would like to use, so say we want to use 125, you can type that in, click return, and then it will change the font size that way as well. These are just 2 really easy ways that I like to scale and resize text and fonts when I'm designing in Canva.